everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to be sharing with you a crafty haul of different supplies that I'm going to be using in my craft room. I'm updating my craft room, so I've been getting decor and different storage solutions. I also have a few random crafty goodies that I'll be throwing in as well. So first up, I just picked up this wool from Kmart. This was $3. It's kind of the going rate of wool here in Australia. Next, as like a decoration item, I picked up this really cute like planter with a fake plant at the top. I just think it's going to look really cute. I'm going for a white, black and wood theme in my craft room, and I think this will add a nice pop of colour to it. Next, I picked up this cute little mug that has a panda on it. I have an idea to use like decorative mugs and decorative planters for my tools. So this will probably be for paint pens and stuff. And I plan on just leaving it on the top of my storage cabinet. I think it'll be really a cute design. So this was $6, also from Kmart. I also picked up this storage box for cube units. So as you can see in this picture here, I love this pattern. I think it's beautiful and it's definitely going to go with my white and black theme. So these are $5 and I bought 2 of them. And lastly, from Kmart, I picked up just a whole bunch of packs of double-sided tape. This is the double-sided tape that I use. It's from Kmart. It's $1.50 for 2 rolls and I think it's amazing. I love it. I haven't had any issues with it. I've been using it for a few years now. And then lastly, from Kmart, I picked up this storage unit. I'll grab it out and show you what it looks like. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but it's very cute and I think it's going to look really good in my craft room. Here is the storage unit. It's about as tall as my hand. I don't have very big hands as well. And it has a drawer here, which again, is probably about the size of my hand. I wanted to see if it would fit my crocodile, which it won't, but that's fine because I plan on having this hanging up somewhere. But this will be good for just little bits and pieces and maybe to store like little scraps and stuff so that it's not taking up massive room in my desk. And then there's these ones here which I think will be good for little things. Maybe I might put paper flowers in here so I don't have to grab them out as often. But this was $12 and it comes assembled so you don't have to assemble it yourself. I quite like it and I think it'll look really good in the craft room. I picked up this clock, again with that wood theme. It was in the clearance section. It was actually $3 and all it needs is just a little battery. I haven't put it in there yet, but I think it'll be so cute. So kind of the idea that I have will be to kind of like stack things like this together and maybe put a little thing in front of it. I think it'll be very cute. My craft room is actually in my bedroom, so my craft room is kind of my decoration in my room, so that's what I'm aiming for. Also from the reject store, I just picked up some tissue paper. I use these in my scrapbooking, but also in my Happy Mail when I package up gifts. So I love getting different coloured ones, and these two I think were $2 each from the reject store. Okay, so from a Riot Art and Craft, I picked up just some sequins. That was all I really wanted. I don't buy a lot from their store, but I picked up this really cute blue sequin and it's actually in 3 different sizes. So it has the little 6mm ones. I think that's about 8mm, and then that's probably 15mm. So I love those, and sorry about the glare, but I think the color is really nice. And this will be really good for like both Maggie Holmes but also Mermaid. And then this one here, which is kind of like a sequins mix, but I like that it's not iridescent and it's kind of got that like matte feeling to it. So again, same thing. It's got the 5mm, the 10mm, and then the 15mm. So really awesome. And these were $1.50 each. So they were originally $3 and I got them 50% off. Now last I went to Daiso and I picked up this wool. I made a tutorial on how to make mini cotton candy embellishments, and I saw these there and thought these would be super easy instead of having to brush it out and have different colors. So this is $2.80. It's quite small, like it's only the size of my hand, but this could make heaps of different ones. They also had these in a yellow color and a green color at my Daiso, so I just picked up the pink one. Next I picked up this storage case. I'm going to put my beads in this. I've started making like charms and stuff, so I think I need some storage for beads, so these are going to go in here. This was $2.80, so very cheap, and it is quite big. It has 15 compartments, which is really, really good for $2.80, and they're not the ones that you take out, so nothing's going to fall between. So I picked that one up. And I picked up some hanging baskets. This one was $2.80. This is one of the ones you can hook onto things, so I plan on hooking this, probably bending it a little bit and hooking it onto my rolling cabinet so that I can have things in it. I picked up this matte black little storage crate thing. I just think this will be really good to just put stuff in, and also I like the way that it looks as well, so I think it'd look really cute as like a way to store something visibly that I kind of want to see. You know, I could store my wool in here, and that would look really cute, so I picked that up. This was $2.80 as well. And the last thing I picked up was these A5 clear packets. These were $2.80, and you come 8 in a pack, and I thought this would just be a good way to store things that maybe the packet's broken or you kind of don't want them floating around. So I grabbed one out just to show you. So they're quite a decent size, and 8 in a pack for $2.80 is a really good price. So it's just a Ziploc, and they're not amazing quality, but they're quite durable, so I think it'll be really good. And you could also use this maybe to put Happy Mail in, if you know, with one of the nicer colours, or you could cover this with something. So heaps of different uses. So I hope you enjoyed my little crafty haul. Stay tuned to see my craft room tour when it's all fully done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, and it would be fantastic if you considered subscribing to my channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.